Good morning children. Today we are going to learn chapters 9 and 10. So let's get started with the first chapter, that is chapter number 9, the Commonwealth Games. What do you mean by Commonwealth Games? The Commonwealth Games is an international multi-sport event involving athletes from the Commonwealth of Nations. The event was first held in 1930 and has taken place every 4 years since then. The Commonwealth Games were known as the British Empire Games from 1930 to 1950. The British Empire and Commonwealth Games from 1954 to 1966 and British Commonwealth Games from 1970 to 1974. Now it is said to be the Commonwealth Games. Write the correct answer of each questions with the help of the information given below in the box. First question, who is known as the founder of Commonwealth Games? Astley Cooper. What is the motive behind the Commonwealth Games? Establishing goodwill and understanding. When the first Commonwealth Games held? In 1911. Where was the first Commonwealth Games held in 1911? Crystal Palace, London. What was the name given to Commonwealth Games in 1911? British Empire Games. Which country received the winner's trophy in 1911? Canada. How frequently are the Commonwealth Games held? Every 4 years. Where were the Commonwealth Games held in 2010? In Delhi. How many countries took part in the Commonwealth Games in New Delhi in 2010? Around 71 countries took part. How many athletes gathered at the New Delhi Commonwealth in 2010? 6,081. How many Commonwealth Games have been played in all, including those of 2014? 20 times. What was the total number of medals won by India in 2010 Commonwealth Games? 101 number of medals in 1 year itself in 2010 Commonwealth Games. Which country had the highest medals tally in the 2010 Commonwealth Games? Australia. Next chapter, chapter 10, Indian Nobel Laureates. Now what do you mean by laureates? I hope this will be a new word to you children. So laureates means a person who has been given a high official honor or prize for something important they have achieved in a particular field. Each prize consists of a medal, it may be a personal diploma, and it may be a cash reward also. So laureates means someone who has done a great job in a particular field. Maybe it may be in the science field or in sports field, whatever, understood, or in social work. Whatever work they have done a great job, for that they are awarded. So such kind of persons are known as laureates. So let's get started. Given below are the pictures of our Nobel Prize winners and details of their achievements. Identify these Nobel laureates and write their names in the box. First of all, let's start with Rabindranath Tagore. Now all of us know Rabindranath Tagore. He was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Now also he was awarded because of his profoundly or very great, sensitive, fresh and beautiful verses. With mastery skill, he has made his poetic thought expressed in his own English words a part of the literature of the West. And so he was awarded the Nobel Prize. Next, Mother Teresa. She was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979. She dedicated her life to caring for the needy and dying in the slums of Kolkata. Next, Subramanian Chandrasekhar. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his study of structure and evolution of stars. He is the nephew of C.V. Raman. Both of them received the Nobel Prize for Physics. Actually, he was an Indian-American astrophysicist who spent his professional life in the United States. He was awarded for theoretical studies of the physical process of importance to the structure and evolution of the stars. Next, Hargobind Khurana. He was awarded a Nobel Prize for Physiology, that is Medicine Code, in 1968. He was an Indian-American biochemist. He was awarded for the interpretation of the genetic code and its function in protein synthesis. Amartya Sen. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998. He was awarded for his contribution in research on fundamental problems in welfare economics. C.V. Raman. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. He was the first Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize. He was awarded for his work on the scattering of light. He gave this concept, scattering of light, and for the discovery of the effect named after him. Because he founded it, he discovered its scattering of light, it was given the name Raman effect. Venkat Raman Ramakrishnan. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 2009. He is an Indian, British, American structural biologist who is the current president of the Royal Society. He and other researchers were able to collaborate to map the structure of ribosomes made up of hundreds and thousands of atoms in 2000. That's all for today. Go through it, learn it properly. See you next time.